Today, I want to introduce COMSOL company. COMSOL is the leading innovator of multiphysics simulation software for R&D. Their platform product, COMSOL Multiphysics, is used in all fields of engineering for modeling designs, devices, and processes. The built-in application builder allows you to turn models into applications and digital twins for use by other design teams, manufacturing departments, test labs, customers, and more. Applications can be deployed with COMSOL Server and COMSOL Compiler. Optional add-on modules are available for simulating electromagnetics, structural mechanics, acoustics, fluid flow, heat transfer, and chemical engineering. COMSOL was founded in 1986 in Stockholm, Sweden, and now includes more than 20 offices in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. COMSOL specialties are in multiphysics, structural mechanics, simulation, applications, acoustics, heat transfer, electromagnetics, and computational fluid dynamics. Full description of COMSOL software profile is available on PetroMehras.com. For learning more about COMSOL, click on visit website link on the top right side of software profile. Hope you found this video useful. Please post your experience if you have used any of COMSOL's services and products below, and let us know which technology company you are interested in introducing in the next video. Thank you.